All right, commas with adjectives. Right, so it is if you can reorder them is generally the best test. It should sound totally fine if you reorder it, and it should sound awful if you can't reorder it, right? Okay, so let's start with whether or not we want to so A has no commas, right? But let's look at B. Can I put a comma between several and unsubstantiated? Sorry. So it's, can I flip these two words, right? So if I said they're unsubstantiated several, they're not unsubstantiated several, they're several unsubstantiated. So B is bad, this comma is no good, right? Okay. Now, let's go to something like answer choice C, right? Is like, can I put a comma between unsubstantiated and like wildly explosive, right? So actually, one thing we should probably do is look at D here, right? So D would be whether or not I can flip wildly and explosive, right? So so let's check these two words first. I'll show you why I'm going to do that. But if I said they're wildly, so if I flip these two, if I said they're unsubstantiated, explosive, wildly claims, no, they're wildly explosive, right? This is a necessary phrasing. We can't put the comma here. So answer choice D is going to be gone, right? And why I want you to do that is because like now we have to say we could flip this whole phrasing with this word right here, right? To test if we want this comma in between here. So would I say there's several wildly explosive, unsubstantiated claims? These two things I could switch and it would sound fine, right? So the dissertation contained several wildly explosive, unsubstantiated claims. I would put the comma between these two things because they're not interchangeable per se, but I could switch the order of them. And so answer choice A would be gone, right? Because I do need this comma right here, and it would be answer choice C.